Okay, so forgive me if I'm squinting.
Yeah, the sun's dead in our eyes.
We're literally walking into the sun. But we're going to take a quick tour around Champions Run here and show you guys what they've got to offer. It is a very, very beautiful resort. It's nice, even lots, super friendly for larger rigs. So if you are in the 40-foot plus club,
They got room for you.
they got room.
Plenty
They
of
got room for you and 2 vehicles. So bring them out. All sizes welcome.
Wait, hold up. Before we sit there and give you a quick tour of this RV park, we want to let you know why we're actually here at Champions Run RV Resort. We're here because it's the Adventure Bandits 2023 Bash, which was so much fun. But before we get into that, we want to sit there and take on a really quick tour of this RV park, show you what we did at Silver Springs State Park, why we're actually here at the Bash. So let's do this.
Champions Run Luxury RV Resort is located in Ocala, Florida, which is about 45 minutes south of Gainesville. Situated in Marion County, which is known for equestrian activities, Champions Run focuses on bringing modern resort luxury to the RV space. Featuring an oversized clubhouse, sparkling pool and cabana, and full-service tiki bar, you will feel like you're staying in a tropical destination. They also have other activities such as bocce ball and pickleball, along with plenty of green space and overall walkability. However, I will say it is not the most child-friendly if you're looking for kids clubs or playgrounds. Laundry and a camp store are also available if needed. We loved that this RV resort was located only a short drive from I-75, which is one of the main thoroughfares in Florida. We also loved that the streets were very wide, which made it easy to maneuver big rigs.
They even have a dog park. I mean, albeit it's a small one just for them to relieve themselves and just to stretch their legs, but they got something that it's flat enough for you to sit there and walk your dog around and not have to go up no bunch of hills or anything, but it's good enough.
And this is our home for the weekend. Yay! I've got oatmeal raisin cookie.
Saturday morning, we ventured out to nearby Silver Springs State Park for an activity set up by the Adventure Bandits. This park features various activities for outdoor enthusiasts, including kayaking, paddleboarding, wildlife viewing, walking trails, biking, and even a glass-bottom boat tour. They have a gift shop on site and some historic displays that talk about the park's beginnings.
So we are waiting in line to get on a glass-bottom boat tour here at Silver Springs State Park.
Yeah, down here in Ocala, Florida. They said don't feed the gators and don't feed the wild monkeys, so I'm like, okay.
Please keep all extremities inside the vehicle.
We're definitely going to see how this is.
We boarded the boat with several other families that came to the Adventure Bandits Bash, including some other content creators from YouTube. Our captain was very enthusiastic for our entire 30-minute journey, even when the boat started malfunctioning and we almost got stuck in a cove. Right before taking off, a manatee swam right beneath our boat. The boat tour itself has been operating since the 1870s, which makes it one of the oldest tourist attractions in the United States. On our tour, we saw 5 of the larger springs that produce the water comprising the Silver River. It was easy to see plenty of fish and other animals because the water varies in depth, and it was also crystal clear. Please note that the clarity of the water can be affected by runoff during the rainy season, so it's best to visit during drier months. We advise advanced ticket purchases during peak tourist seasons since the park can get crowded. The boats and loading dock area were accessible to guests with disabilities, and staff is willing to help anyone that may need additional assistance. You are encouraged to bring your camera to capture the unique views that are only provided by having the glass bottom viewing area.
Good morning again.
Good morning.
We just got off the glass bottom boat tour here at Silver Springs State Park. OMG. 10 out of 10. You absolutely have to come do this.
Yeah, and it wasn't long, so you could get on there. It was only about 30 minutes, but you see there's about 3-4 different springs. There's one spring that's called Mammoth Spring. It's like the largest spring in the world, so
It's humongous.
didn't expect that.
And the water is crystal clear. Like, the pictures cannot do it justice. It is so clear.
Yes.
After visiting the gift shop, we struck out onto the walking trails to experience this beauty up close and personal. We saw several signs reminding us not to feed the wildlife while walking towards the dock that was featured in a television show called Sea Hunt. If the visual reminders weren't enough, we did see several alligator paths towards the water, but luckily no gators. If you look closely, you may also run into wild monkeys which inhabit the area. The monkeys arrived in the 1930s when a boat captain named Colonel Toohey thought it would be a good idea to release 6 monkeys on an island in the river to draw tourists. If you remember anything from science class, when a species is moved to an area where they can thrive, they will reproduce. This led to an increase in the population of monkeys inhabiting the park. If you do encounter a wild monkey, stay calm, slowly back away, and try not to look at them directly in the eyes. After walking around, it was time to head back to the resort for some fun. Now it was finally time to enjoy the activities of the bash. We were late to get there due to work, so we missed the earlier activities on Thursday and Friday. However, our parents represented for us in our absence. After a quick walk inside the clubhouse, it was time for the potluck. It gave all the feels of a family reunion, and the fact that there was a raffle and a group photo just set it over the top. We got to talk to a lot of different families and even met a few of our own subscribers. Everyone we took photos with is linked below, so you can check out their content as well. After getting some pictures, it was time to enjoy the outdoors with time by the pool, line dancing, sitting by the campfire, and best of all, the special guest of the night, which was a Polynesian fire dancer.
So the time has come to leave this beautiful place, but it was so worth it. I mean, our first RV meetup, but definitely not the last.
Yeah, the Adventure Bandits threw one hell of a bash, so it was great. We met a bunch of different people and a bunch of different families, so it was a great time.
You telling everybody bye-bye? Say see you later, Avery.
No,
Bye-bye.
no, okay. Well, she doesn't feel like talking right now.
So we hope you love what we put together from our experience here at the Bandit Bash 2023 at Champions Run. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to let us know that you like what we brought to you.
Yep.
Please subscribe, it really helps the channel. And we loved meeting everybody out there this weekend that already subscribes to our channel. So thank you.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. And then hit the bell if you want to be notified next time we take a trip. Otherwise, we'll see you later.